So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So everyone wants to work in AI in 2026, but most people are preparing for wrong jobs. In this video, I'll show you the AI roles that actually pay. And if you are learning AI just because it is trending, then stop. Let me show you the career that actually matters in your profile. So let's go. Let's dive into the video. So the first one is AI engineer. So about the AI engineer, the prawns are high demanding, opportunities are very high in this job. But for that, if you want to be an AI engineer, you have to learn like Python, machine learning, DSA, and all those things which I mentioned, or you have a relevant degree in bachelor's and master's, which helps you to excel in this field and make good projects, which make your profile more better in job descriptions. About the salaries, we all know that 5 to 60 is around the salary. So if you are freshers but you have a good projects, you will get around like between 8 to 10. But if you have experience about that 3 years 5 years, you'll probably get the more than 30 lpa if you have a good projects and your working profile is so good. Models. So second is machine learning engineer. So machine learning engineer mostly build the models based on the data set they provided by the companies or any startups. So for that you have to learn the machine learning algorithms. So you have to make models or algorithms which provide a better output for our end users. For that, you have to be good in CS, statistics, and maths because it's required in this field. And about that role, you have a decent salary. If you are a fresher, it's around like 6 to 10. But if you have experience of 1 and 2 year in the industry, then you can like get around 20, 30, and more than 30 based on the projects you have done in previous years or with your experiences. So third is generative AI specialist. So this is the most demanding jobs in AI field where you it requires your creativity and your logical thinkings also. So for that you have to learn the technologies about the diffusion models, large language models, APIs and the GANs. So if you are this is just like when you say any AI that create that image, it building the algorithms behind the image, it's by the generative AI specialist. So for that you have to be good in those skills and you have to be educated in the AI field as well as the creative computing. These two are very new courses, but it is very good if you want to get into the generative AI specialist. For that, its salaries are pretty very high. So if you are freshers, you can get 8 to 12, but if you have experience, then you go. If you have 3 years or 5 years experience, then you can get paid by the like around 30 or 35 minimum if you have a good projects in the previous working experiences. So the fourth one is data scientist. So data scientist is a versatile career path where you know all those things about the AI, deep learning, machine learning, and all those things. You have to very good in the statistics and maths because it requires their knowledges, and for that you have to know about the Excel, SQL, Python, and visualizing tool as well, as because you have to working on the data, and working on that you get the insights from the data for the company which helps them to grow. For that you have to be study about the data scientist in bachelor's, but if you have masters you have very uh, good hand to be in the industry, because if you have masters they will consider master students more than bachelor students. So data scientist is currently one of the most high paying jobs in the world. So for that it's around 6 to 60. So if you are fresher you will get around 6 to 12 or 13, but if you are very good experience in your with your projects, then you probably get minimum 30 to 40 if you have 3 or 5 years of experience in this field. Last but not the least, cybersecurity analyst. So as we all know, everyone is using AI, and they are creating lots of malwares and viruses. So for that you have, if you have interest in the hacking and cybersecurity, you have to go for this. It's a very good role, and also like competitive salary if you have very good hands on your skills. So for that you have to learn skills which is like I mentioned, like IDS, IPS, risk, Python scripting, Linux is one of the thing you have to learn for this role, which is very important. For that you have to be do bachelor's in computer science or cyber security, because it requires very good coding knowledge, and you have to be very good in the specific DSA and the coding part. For that, if you go into this field is also good, like 5 to 4 40 LPA. So for freshers they provide not that much, it's like 5 to 9, but if you are experience of you have experience 3 years or 5 years, you will get around the probably 20 to 40 based on the work you have done in the industry. And you
So
also thank you for watching this video till now. I hope it really helped you in this field. So subscribe my channel. I'll upload many video regarding AI and the new tools coming in the market. And thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.